Pa?
Like always, in our channel MellowBites, we try to include a lot of veggies in every single recipe and make it healthy.
Yeah, that's the easiest trick, to include veggies in something flavorful dish and then give it to your kids, and that's it. They are going to be healthy too.
Kaboom! Yeah, so Mom went a little overboard with this veggie shopping and she got a lot. So why don't we make this into something different?
Yeah.
What are we
We have
gonna do?
broccoli, mushrooms, carrot, green beans, bell pepper of different colors. And to include this veggies into your kids' diet, I have something that adds flavor, and that's chicken. So when you include chicken and all these veggies, kids will go overboard, eat, and finally they are going to consume very healthy dish, and you're going to be a successful parent.
Yeah, it's such a healthy dish. Why don't we get started? What are we making, Mom?
We are going to make chicken veggie stir fry today. It's a Chinese style and it's so versatile that you can add it to any dish. Like you can have it with chapatis, rice, noodles. You can go ahead with all your own creativity, or you can just have it, munch it like that too.
I like munching it plain. It's delicious as it is. Let's get started.
It always tastes great when you cook Chinese food in sesame oil or peanut oil. We are going to use the sesame oil here. You have to make sure that the flame is on high heat so that the stir fry tastes awesome.
Yeah, usually Chinese food is done in high flame when they do the noodles and
Yeah.
stuff. And then we've added salt and pepper to the chicken.
Once the oil is heated very well, let's add this chicken into that.
Yeah, the oil is hot, so I'm gonna add in the chicken. There we go. That was scary.
Cook the chicken until it's like 80% done, and then you can take it off. If you're a vegetarian, no worries. Keep this chicken part, and then still you can include the same flavor with all the veggies of your choice. Look at the color, it's nice and golden and juicy too. Make sure your chicken doesn't lose all the water, otherwise it's going to be, chunky flavor.
Yeah.
This is the right time to take the chicken. I'm going to take it in a plate. I think Purna will now be ready to add the veggies.
Yep. Look at this plate. It just looks so beautiful. It looks like a rainbow. It's also in the color red and then orange. And then we have yellow and all the colors. So now can I add in the veggies,
Yeah.
Mom?
To the same oil, we are going to add the veggies. Make sure you cut the veggies of even size so that it gets cooked. I'm going to add the broccoli and carrots first and the green beans, because you know why?
They cook faster?
They cook faster, so you need to add it first.
No, they cook slower.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You need all the veggies at the right crunchy flavor. So we are going to add these first. Just stir fry for 2 minutes and then we'll add the remaining veggies.
Yeah, we missed a piece of chicken.
Make sure you cook it on a very high flame till the end.
It's been 2 minutes. I'm gonna add in mushrooms.
Yeah.
I love mushrooms. They kind of taste like chicken to me.
Everything tastes like chicken to you and Barbara. So let's add all the colorful bell peppers into the dish. And then I think Purna will add the salt.
Yeah. I often add so little salt and my mom's like, add more.
This time you have to add the salt accurately because we are going to add the hoisin sauce.
Yeah, and there's salt also in the hoisin sauce.
Yeah.
Is that enough, Mom?
Yeah. Look at the deliciousness. Look at the color. Now it's right time to add a teaspoon of chopped ginger.
And a teaspoon of chopped garlic. I love garlic smell and taste.
This ginger and garlic gives a nice aroma and flavor to the veggies and the chicken. So here I have hoisin sauce. If you don't have hoisin sauce, that's very well fine. Take some soy sauce and honey and some corn flour and add some water and mix it into a sauce and then add to this. It's right time to add the chicken now because the veggies are getting cooked faster in high heat. So we'll add the chicken and the sauce.
Yeah, I'll go ahead and add the chicken and sneak a little bit.
So look at the color. Look at the veggies. Now I'm going to drizzle in the hoisin sauce.
And then I'm adding in a nice amount of pepper for the spice.
So just imagine all the veggies getting cooked in like 10 to 15 minutes and you're going to give it to your kids and they're going to gulp it.
Yeah.
How do you love this to have? You want to have it over fried rice, noodles or what?
I want it plain like I told you guys in the beginning. It's just delicious as it is. I just like to gulp it up.
This is the final step that adds nice crunch to it. See? Add some roasted sesame seeds. Just going to drizzle in on how much ever. Look at that.
Sesame seeds add a nice crunch to the dish.
And the dish has been done. The nice aroma is coming out. We are going to serve it hot over rice. Let's transfer it into a serving bowl and I guess you guys will definitely try this dish.
Yeah.
So we have transferred the chicken veggies stir fry into a nice serving bowl. I can't resist the aroma coming from it and I just want to.
Yeah, Mom, I have something to say. I already ate a few pieces while you were not looking.
At least you have just tasted a few pieces. Balu had been here, he would have gulped half the plate right through here. Isn't it? Wait, something. Where were you?
I was under the table.
That's so crazy. Wait, let us finish off this and then you can eat it, okay? Just do it.
And by the way, it's really hot, so it's gonna burn your mouth. I didn't know that.
I know you would definitely try this at your home and enjoy with your kids.
Yeah, just guys, look at it. Even looking at it makes you drool. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to try this recipe at your home and tell us out in the comments how it worked for you because we would love to hear about it. And don't forget to try